So this video is going to show you how to pull some data from PowerSchool. Let's go ahead and log in. Select the class you want to pull some data from. And I have 3 assessments here. I'm going to look at my pre-assessment data. And as you can see, it's already been graded. I'm going to go to the gear button up at the top right and click on Export Scores Template. And I do want to include scores, so I'm going to click Yes. And an Excel spreadsheet has been downloaded. So I'm going to stretch this out so you can see that the scores have been pulled along with student names. Okay, so now we're going to go back to PowerSchool. And now I'm going to go to the post-assessment because I want to compare my pre-assessment results to my post-assessment results, right? So I'm going to go to the post-assessment, click Export Scores again, click Yes, and a second Excel spreadsheet has appeared. So I'm going to open that up. And from the second sheet, I'm going to copy the scores column, including the title scores. And then I'm going to paste them next to the scores column for the pre-assessment. Okay. Just to clarify so that I don't get confused, I'm going to type in pre-assessment and post-assessment in each column, each appropriate column. I'm going to stretch this out a bit to just so it'll look pretty. All right, now I'm going to highlight the student names and the results for the pre and post assessment columns. Hit insert at the top, and I'm going to select what kind of graph I want. For this comparison, a bar graph works pretty well. Now here I can rename it, change the color, change the style, and customize it to show whatever it is I need to show. So thanks for watching. Hope this is helpful.